Our most sincere thanks to you, gentlemen, for volunteering to cook a hearty dinner for our soup kitchen.
This isn't some rinky-dink volunteer work, Father. This is just step one on our quest to end world hunger.
That is quite a noble cause. But know this. Dinner must be served when the bell rings its horrid tone.
Master, the bells, they do not ring for me.
Back to your tower, Mosey Popo.
No! When will they ring?
Oh yes, I almost forgot. We have our little after-school boy to help with your culinary needs. His parents want him to give back to the community. He needs some time away from the computer. Isn't that right, Jesse?
Very based, very red-pilled.
Very good. Remember, when the bell rings, we feed.
Okay. Jesse, come along, I guess.
Approach my body, King. Let the blood sacrifice commence.
I apologize for my clothes. My ceremonial garb is in the wash.
Bring me your offering.
No! Oh, no! Bon appetit, Chris Kyle.
You bring me nothing but rodents and trash animals!
Well,
Take this ceremonial dagger, King. I need the blood of a virgin. That'll speed up this process and bring my body back into this realm.
A virgin?
Don't fail me.
Giuseppe! I need you to watch this kid. He's your responsibility tonight. And you need to be on him like flies on shit. We can't afford any mistakes. No fuck-ups. I'm serious.
Okay.
Jesse, listen to Giuseppe. Do whatever he says.
I don't like listening to people doing whatever they say. They think they could push me around. Not anymore.
Oh my God.
Uno, we are so fucked.
Well, I mean, this is my first time sauteing mushrooms. I don't think it's going too bad. You fucking dick.
I don't know if you've noticed, but it's like 15th century Romania out there right now.
What are you talking about? Oh. Yeah, I mean, I guess I've never been to this part of town before.
I know this was supposed to be our baby steps towards solving world hunger, but I believe this has turned into a do-or-die situation. Much like Christ, we too may be crucified by the end of this night. Can I go through with this? The voice of Chris Kyle is so loud in my mind.
Virgin blood, you fat fuck.
I'm beginning to fear what I've become. Is this sauce reduced?
I'm going as fast as I can.
Reduce faster! Fuck! How are you looking right now?
Good, I think.
Do you think or do you know?
I know.
Good! Was that so fucking hard? Christ!
You know, when people talk to me like that, I think about doing things. Really bad things that feel so good. Do you want to feel good?
No, I don't.
I think I'm having a panic attack. I'm spiraling.
When the bell rings, we feed. Be prepared.
Oh, shit. I now know exactly why you're freaking out.
Yes! We're doomed! I need to buy some time. I need you to go out there and give them a tight 5.
I can do 3.
Well, then why are you standing here? Go!
I get no respect.
The master needs Jesse's time log so he can get credit at school. Master will be very displeased if I don't collect them.
Okay. Go get them then. Why am I talking to you? God, you smell like tomato juice and piss.
You know, if someone said I smelled like tomato juice and piss, I'd think about doing things. Really bad things. That feel so good. Do you want to feel good?
I do. I do want to feel good.
Virgin blood, can you perform this request? Are you strong enough?
Anything for you, Chris Kyle. I am your servant, now and forever. Okay, everyone, all right. Settle down. I gotta make sure this slop is up to code. This is the finest meal I've ever had in my life.
Oh, thank you.
All right, let's feed the rest of these people.
What do you mean? Feed the rest.
The food. The beautiful food. We need to feed these hungry patrons.
That was the only dish we were able to make.
You mean to tell me there was one plate of food at the soup kitchen, and I ate it?
Oh, no.
God damn it! None of you freaks better be at my fucking funeral! Oh, you fucking lowlifes! Goons! Good for nothings!
Enough! I've been talking with Giuseppe, and he's convinced we don't have to take your shit anymore. Isn't that right, Giuseppe?
I have no part in this. Get the bad boy away from me.
You've been riding my ass all night. And now it's time. Now it's time for Jesse to go down in the books as the son of a bitch who said enough's enough.
Listen, weird kid,
His name's Jesse, Uno. And he's right. I've been treating this entire kitchen like trash. We did something magical here today. We created maybe the greatest piece of culinary art ever to grace this planet. And if we have to die by the 15th century Romanians that inhabit this soup kitchen, so be it. We have left our mark on this world, and we have welcomed a new member into our family.
Giuseppe! You don't have to be afraid anymore. You don't have to bottle up your anger.
I don't like this boy.
That was one of the most beautiful things I've ever heard.
Come to take us to our own personal Golgotha, I presume.
No. I've killed my master, and now I'm the master. The master of my own fate. Your speeches inspired me to live my best life. And this time I'm gonna let it all come out. This time I'm gonna stand up and shout. I'm gonna do things my way. It's my way. My way or the highway.
So there's not a mob of hungry peasants and an evil priest waiting to kill us?
Oh no, they left in terror as soon as your monster came out to do his comedy set. It was one of the strongest 3 minutes I've ever heard.
You played to an empty room?
I tell you, I get no respect.
I want to come live with you and all these beautiful creatures. I want to learn how to love again, to know what it feels like to be a part of a family again.
I vote fuck no.
My thoughts exactly. I don't want some hunchback freak roaming the halls of my beautiful palace. Boys, take him to the stockade. I think there's a few extra tomatoes lying around.